Good afternoon. So this morning I went to tractor place and I bought this in the trailer. Let's have a look. So you're thinking, oh, what is it? Well, as you know, recently I bought a mini tractor, Kubota 2350, if you're interested, to replace, ideally it's to replace my mini digger, which is very small and very old and doesn't work very well. But I'm going to keep it, and I'll explain why later in another video. But this goes on the back of the Kubota. So this video, or this part of the video, is a logistical problem. That is on a pallet and it weighs 310 kilos. So this is going to be interesting. The question is, how do I get it from there onto the ground? So the favourites are reverse the trailer underneath here, underneath the tree, throw something around the branch, lift this up and drive the trailer out. But that doesn't help because I've got to find some way of lowering it down, and I can't do it with ratchet straps because it's either on or off. So we need another idea. Let's go and have a look. You probably haven't seen this room before, but it's where I keep all machinery and garden tools and things. So this is my old IS4GX. It's a decent machine. It's just there's leaks, scratches on the ram. You see there, look, and it leaks like a sieve. I put so much oil in it, look. I have to keep filling up every time I use it. It is very good though, quite powerful. And then I've got my roughneck lifter, and that has a large bucket over there, or you can just see there, look, a big loader bucket, or it's actually got forks on at the moment. So we could actually use that to remove the digger. We've actually got over there a tier 4 winch, which yeah, incredibly powerful. That'll be able to lift it no problem, but again, how do we get it down? It's the lowering down really. Or we actually have, I don't know how good the lighting is on this, that is a genie lift, and it says, have a look on that, it's a, try that again. It says on here, this is an SA10. It can actually carry 454 kilos. So in fact, actually, save starting all that up because that hasn't run for a long time. I'll do another video on that actually, if you want to see it. It's a really good machine. But if we get in there and pull this out, let's get it on one of these. we're going to put this underneath now and see how far off we are, because I've actually got some extenders for these arms, but it drastically reduces the weight you can use. So let's just see. There we go. We're off the ground. Let's get this pipe out of the way. And then, if I move the trailer forward, we should be suspended there in midair. Right, so basically now, we just need to lower that down, but it'll touch the legs before it gets to the ground, before these blocks, so we need blocks on either side just to support it temporarily. On a standard 3-point hitch, what we have here. So I've read the manual, and that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's see if we can get it fitted. Okay, so on the back of this tractor, I've got this is a top arm, top link. We got the two lower arms, and then in the middle here we've got the shaft, which is a power takeoff shaft. On the digger we've got these bolts here, these pins here, one there, one on the other side, so they go in here. This one and that one in that one, and then this one at the top, look, is for this, for leveling it up. So what I'm going to do is attach the pump, if that can reach. Once the pump's attached, I can use the hydraulic lifters on the digger to lift it up here to the required height, and then we're good to go. Let's just okay, the deliberation. The pump has gone on quite well. It's clipped onto the PTO shaft. It's just a collar you pull back and it slips on and then clips in. I've got this chain here which stops the pump from rotating, and that's right on that bar underneath. There's supposed to be a special hole for it, but not on here. So that shouldn't foul anything. So that's it. So the manual says now that, best thing about this beer holder, the manual says now that I need to activate the pump, raise it so that those go in there. So that is actually how it's supposed to be. So now I've got to raise this. Right, I think we're connected. We got these 1, 2, 3 points.